Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today is decorate day for the Easter tree. My friend Holly has me do holiday trees for her every holiday, so it's super fun. I got these super cute carrots at Hobby Lobby. I'll be using those. If you want to watch my video on shopping at Hobby Lobby and how I picked everything out for this tree, I'll link that at the end of the video. Let's go ahead and get started decorating. So I asked Holly to leave some of the stuff that we might be able to use that will look cute with the Easter tree. So all these branches and flowers and stuff are left on. I'm gonna look and see and decide what I think. Okay, so I've kind of just moved around the same stems that I used on the last tree. Now I'm gonna go in with the new picks that I had gotten for this Easter tree. With all these huge picks, really I should have went in with this garland first, but that's okay. And again, with these ornaments, I'm gonna do different areas. So I'll do here, here, here. That way they are not lining up on one side of the tree. Next, I've got these 3 carrots. Next will be these teal flowers. Next, I'm going to go in with all of these super cute eggs. So I just got ready to leave and realized that I forgot to add these cute little wood carrots to the tree. So I'm gonna hurry up and do that right now. And there we have it for the Easter tree. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was super fun to decorate this and the cute pastel colors. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.